How do you use the DST triangle? Let's watch and learn. Firstly, DST stands for distance, speed and time, since it is a mnemonic device that people use to remember the relationships between the trio. After this video, you can now use it as well. Alright, let's now have the triangle here. As you can see, distance is on top, speed is on the lower left and time is on the lower right. Here's how you use it. To find the formula for any variable in the triangle, cover up the letter representing that variable, which is either D, S or T. The remaining variables will indicate how to calculate the unknown variable. Easy, right? Now, let's start with the formulas. Do know that the vertical line in the triangle means multiply, while the horizontal line means divide. If you want to solve for the distance, we should just multiply the time and speed. If we want to solve for time, we should divide the distance by the speed. Lastly, if we want to solve for the speed, we should divide the distance with the time. To avoid confusion and misunderstanding, I'll show you a simple word problem here that we will solve together. A car traveled at 55 miles per hour for 3 hours. What distance does it cover? We know that we have to find the distance in order to get the answer for this problem. We just have to simply multiply the speed and time. So that makes 55 times 3. That makes 165. That means that the distance the car covered was 165 miles. See? That's how easy it is. There you have it. Thank you for watching, learners. Have a great day. I do hope you guys enjoyed my video. Keep learning.